A very warm morning to all of you. This is Abhilasha Nahada from Layal Public School and I am your social science teacher. So students, in our previous class, we discussed about one of the major landform. The name of that major landform is mountains. We talked about mountains. We talked about the different types of mountains. There are three different types of mountains: fold mountains, block mountains, and volcanic mountains. And we have seen some examples of those types of particular types of mountains, like Himalayans are the young fold mountains. Rhine Valley is an example of block mountain, and Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa is an example of volcanic mountain. Okay, now our today's topic is plateaus. Okay, yes, plateaus. Plateaus, it is the second major type of landform, or you can say relief feature. As you all know, mountains are elevated an elevated rocky land, especially rocky land, because they are normally rugged. Okay, that's why we consider mountains as rocky, and their heights are normally above 600 meters. Okay, and the plateaus are also like elevated flat land, but they have a tabular flat structures. Just look at this picture, figure 6.5, given on page number 42. This is an example of a plateau. Dekho, the land here is like the land here, it is above the flatland surface, but it has a it is it seems like a टेबल के जैसा हमें स्ट्रक्चर दिख रहा है. देखो ऊपर से बिल्कुल फ्लैट लैंड से काफी ऊपर है और एकदम टेबल के जैसा इसका स्ट्रक्चर दिख रहा है ना हमें. तो इट इज अ प्लेटो इज एन elevated altitude or height. I already told you about that. So a plateau is an elevated flat land. It is a flat topped table land standing above the surrounding areas. Whatever the surrounding areas we have, like in our home or in your schools, we have so many tables and desks. So जो flat surface है, जो floor है, floor से काफी above रहता है, but जो टेबल है ऊपर से कैसे एकदम स्मूथ रहती है, स्मूथ बोल दो, या फिर एकदम ऐसे पीक्स नहीं बना हुआ होता है इसमें. ठीक है, ऐसे पीक्स बनी हुई होती है क्या? ऐसे पीक्स नहीं होती है, बट प्लेटू क्या होता है, ऐसा सा होता है. देखो इस टाइप का होता है प्लेटू. दिस इज माउंटेन, दिस इज प्लेटू. ओके, हिल्स भी हो सकते हैं ये, अगर हाइट पे डिपेंड करता है. अगर यस, A plateau may have one or more sides with steep slopes. बहुत सारे sides होते हैं. Steep slopes मतलब slant slopes हो सकते हैं उसमें. The height of plateaus often varies from few hundred meters to several thousand meters. वेरी करता है ऑब्वियसली. ऐसा नहीं है प्लेटू है तो उसकी 600 मीटर्स या 200 मीटर्स या 300 मीटर्स की हाइट होगी. वेरी करता है, जगह जगह पे वेरी करता है. सो अलग अलग फ्यू हंड्रेड मीटर्स हो सकते हैं. Plateaus like mountains may be young or old. Okay, young plateaus भी हो सकते हैं, old plateaus भी हो सकते हैं. The Deccan Plateau, which is in India is one of the oldest plateaus. Oldest, ठीक है, one of the oldest plateaus in the world. Deccan Plateau, इंडिया का जो Deccan Plateau है, आपका सेंट्रल इंडिया से जो साउथ इंडिया तक जो एरिया जाता है, ट्रायंगुलर शेप में प्लेटू है, और वो प्लेटू क्या नाम है, डेक्कन प्लेटू है उसका नाम. ओके, द ईस्ट अफ्रीकन प्लेटू इन केन्या, ये भी तंजानिया एंड उगांडा एंड वेस्टर्न प्लेटू ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया आर अदर एग्जांपल्स. सम मोर एग्जांपल्स ऑफ प्लेटूज आर East African Plateau in Kenya, Tanzania and Uganda, and the Western Plateau of Australia are some of the other examples of plateaus. Okay, the Tibetan Plateau is the highest plateau in the world. ठीक है, it is above इंडिया, ओके, above इंडिया एंड नेपाल हमारा टिबेटन प्लेटू है एंड इट इज द हाईएस्ट प्लेटू इन द वर्ल्ड एंड इट इज आल्सो नोन एज द रूफ ऑफ द वर्ल्ड। ओके, which plateau is also known as the roof of the world? tibetan tibetan plateau है ये, ठीक है। it with a height of 4000 to 6000 meters above the mean sea level। ओके, जो हाईएस्ट प्लेटू है टिबेटन प्लेटू है और उसकी हाइट कितनी है 4000 मीटर्स, 4000 टू 6000 मीटर्स। आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि जो प्लेटूज होंगे तो उनकी जो हाइट होगी सिमिलर होगी, वो उनकी हाइट जो है वेरी करती है। तो टिबेटन प्लेटू आपका हाईएस्ट प्लेटू है, ठीक है, हाईएस्ट प्लेटू इन द वर्ल्ड एंड इट इज आल्सो नोन एज द रूफ ऑफ द वर्ल्ड एंड द हाइट ऑफ द टिबेटन प्लेटू इज 4000 मीटर्स टू 6000 मीटर्स अबव, अलग अलग जगह पे वेरी करता है। So some advantages of plateaus are very useful because they are rich in mineral deposits. Yes, they are very useful because they are rich in minerals. So many types of mineral areas, many of the mining areas in the world are located in the plateau regions. Okay, many of the mining areas. As a result, many of the mining areas in the world are located in the plateau areas. The African plateau is famous for gold and diamond mining. African plateau is famous for gold and diamond mining. In India, huge reserves of iron, coal and manganese are found in the Chota Nagpur plateau. Central India में है, झारखंड, बिहार, छत्तीसगढ़ के एरिया के पास में है। Huge means बहुत बड़ा होता है जो। रिजर्व्स मतलब कि जहां पे बहुत सारी चीजें इकट्ठी होती है, ठीक है, पहले से। सो ह्यूज रिजर्व्स in India, huge reserves of iron, coal and manganese, these are some of the minerals are found in Chota Nagpur plateau and minerals play a very important role in our life, like in our day to day life we are using minerals, like we are wearing jewelries, we are using we are using phone, laptops, computers, and under that in that so many wires are there. They are made up of different types of minerals. The chair in which we are sitting at, maybe some iron or some steels are there, some minerals are there. So minerals are like very much very much helpful, very much useful to us. Even Kolar, Panna and Anantpura are the famous gold and diamond mines of India, जो डेक्कन प्लेटू में लाई करता है, ठीक है। In the plateau areas there may be several waterfalls, बहुत अलग अलग तरीके के waterfalls भी हमें देखने को मिलता है, as the river falls from a greater height. In India, the Hindru falls on the Chota Nagpur plateau on the river Subarnarekha, and the Jog falls in Karnataka. जॉग फॉल्स रिवर शारावती में बना हुआ है, कर्नाटका में है, वहां से जॉग फॉल्स जो है वाटरफॉल है ये। Examples of such waterfalls, and obviously they are very significant for us, very important for us, because waterfalls are used to generate hydroelectricity. हम hydroelectricity generate कर सकते हैं, so they are useful to us. The lava plateaus और volcanic plateaus are rich in black soil. Deccan plateau जो है आपका volcanic plateau है, और lava plateau और volcanic plateau they are rich in black soil, and black soil are rich in very fertile, and they are good for cultivation of especially cotton. The cotton clothes which we are wearing, they are made up of cotton crop. Okay, so black soil and the cultivation of cotton is done in black soil, ठीक है। So it is very fertile and good for the cultivation of cotton crop. Many plateaus have scenic spots मतलब जहाँ बहुत ही beautiful landscapes are there, बहुत ही beautiful, हमें nature जो है tourist काफी attract होते हैं, नेचर बहुत ब्यूटीफुल सीनरीज हमें देखने को मिलती है, and are of great attraction to tourists. Okay, so plateaus are rich in coal, manganese, limestone, manganese. They have huge reserves of these minerals. So many waterfalls are there in the plateau regions, which are helpful for generating hydroelectricity. Some of the volcanic plateaus are helpful in generating the black soil, and black soil is very much uh, fertile and good for the cultivation of cotton crops. So this is all about our major landform plateau. Okay.